Congratulations! You've done it! You've optimized the workflow, stayed late, and basically carried the entire department on your back like a caffeinated atlas. Your reward? A performance review that sounds like a love letter but feels like a prison sentence. You're told you're indispensable, which is corporate speak for, we can't promote you because then we'd actually have to hire 3 people to replace you. Welcome to the high performer's tax. It's the psychological glitch where being the best makes you a load-bearing wall. And here's the scary part. Load-bearing walls don't get moved to the penthouse. They stay in the basement until they crack, or until the architect finds a cheaper, sturdier beam. This matters right now because in a world of quiet quitting, being a quiet crusher makes you a target for optimization parity. You aren't being groomed for the C-suite, you're being utilized for the status quo. Why does this happen? Meet the tall poppy syndrome mixed with loss aversion. Your manager isn't thinking about your career trajectory, they're thinking about their own weekend. If they promote you, their world becomes 50% harder. This creates a subconscious incentive for them to keep you in your place. They don't want you to fail, that would hurt them, but they don't want you to transcend, that would also hurt them. There's also the expertise trap. In psychology, we see that once you become the person who knows how to fix the software, you stop being seen as a leader and start being seen as a tool. And you don't promote a hammer to become the carpenter. You just keep using the hammer until the head flies off. Here's the uncomfortable truth. While you're busy being indispensable, the company is secretly looking for a way to make you redundant. Your efficiency has created a blueprint. You've documented your processes so well that a cheaper, good enough replacement can now follow your tracks for half the price. By being too good, you've accidentally automated yourself out of a future. The most honest thing you can do for your career isn't to work harder, it's to work invincibly. If you're a load-bearing wall, make sure you have wheels. Stop being a tool and start being the architect. If you're too essential to move, you're too essential to grow. If your last performance review felt like a trap, hit that like button and subscribe to update your professional software. I'll see you in the next frame.